Have you been here before to watch this? No. It's a really interesting thing. Take my word. It's coming. The helicopter's over there. Don't be fooled, because like 5 fly over it, and you're gonna think it's it, but then you're like, oh, nope, it's not the helicopter. Wrong helicopter. That's a plane. Sure? Doesn't look like it's raining. Oh, never mind. What? Are you on Facebook?
Yeah.
You're just friend me. But I'm not videoing because I'll tell you, because it's gonna be on YouTube. I don't want my name to get up there. Oh, I love this. It has my thing. It's not like a crappy phone camera where everything's dark and the lighting's off. Terrible. Where do you want to stand?
I have to go find the kids.
You who?
I have to go find the stuff.
I'll see you.
Moving all the way down, folks. Keep filling in behind the kids.
Evening.
Hey, how are you?
Hey.
Doesn't have to be your kid. Just fill in behind the kids.
Do we have to take the kid home? All right.
I wish. I hope not. Take a random kid.
Staying here?
I could just like bite you and like.
Oh, delicious.
And dessert. I'm wearing all black, so what's that behind me?
Can't see, don't worry. This will be on YouTube tomorrow.
Keep filling in back here.
Coming back around. Here we go. Showtime. Yeah, I missed, so now it's like going back over. Last year was a war helicopter.
A war one? I didn't see it last year.
No, last year they didn't do it.
I think they did it just for the kids.
Like they did last year, they did it during school for just for the kids.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah. I don't remember what they did last year. Well, last year it was like a war helicopter, and they told us about like where all the weapons go. It's pretty cool.
George, they want to volunteer to climb on the helicopter. Raise your hand.
How long does it take for those things to stop? Takes a good 2 minutes. What does this button do?
That's never going to go in one.
You realize it's never going to actually stop.
Almost looks like it's fried.
So when do we go?
Like that?